Do you want to know how you can tap into multiple affiliate income streams on day number 1? In this video, I'm going to show you how I've helped over 60,000 students tap into multiple income streams by simply giving away something for free. Now, what most affiliate marketing gurus are teaching is to go ahead and promote a bunch of spammy products that people don't want or they don't care about. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be helping people actually get their dream core result, which is going to help you make more money. And more importantly, it's a win-win situation. I'm excited to show you exactly how you can tap into multiple streams of income. Now, if you stick till the end of this video, I'm going to give you an AI tool that I created to help you create your custom A to B map, which basically helps you create an affiliate marketing business with multiple streams of income. But please don't skip to the end of this video. I want you to see exactly how this works. First, let's get into it. So now I'm going to show you how to create your A to B map. That way you can promote multiple affiliate marketing products. Okay. This has been the framework that I've given to over 60,000 people that allows you to promote multiple things at once. Okay. This framework is absolutely insane. And I'm going to show you a secret at the end of this video to show you how you can build a custom A to B map. Okay. But I want to show you how this works first before I give you the done for you AI system that does it for you. Okay. So let me explain the whole goal. Okay. It's very simple. Okay. So the whole thing is we want to get our customer from point A to point B. Okay. Now, typically at point A, they're in a lot of pain. Okay. This is their pain point, and we want to get them to their pleasure point. Okay. This could be anything. It could be in the health and fitness niche, or it could be in the crypto niche or the make money online niche, right? In my previous training, I showed you how we can find a niche, right? So once we have our niche, now we got to figure out, okay, in our niche, what's our audience biggest pain point? And then how do we get them to pleasure, right? Or their dream outcome. Okay. So this is pleasure, or it can also be called the dream outcome. Now, I want to just kind of map out my personal A to B map. Okay. When I was working my 9-to-5 job. So my point A was I hated my job. I absolutely hated my job. And basically I wanted to get to point B here at the end here, which was quitting my job. That was my dream outcome, right? Okay. That was like the ultimate dream at the time when I was still working as an engineer. Okay. When I was searching, and buying courses and trying to figure out how to get from point A to point B, I needed a roadmap. I needed certain things to help me get there. And I'm just going to draw out what I needed. Okay. Because it's going to start to make sense. It's going to help you as an affiliate to promote multiple products. Such a key thing to understand. Okay. So these are the things that I needed and the things that actually helped me quit my job. Okay. So the first thing that I needed, right, and I'm just going to put a little box here, was I needed a course. I needed a course to teach me. At the time, it was teaching me affiliate marketing. Okay. I needed a course to do that. Okay. Then I needed a coach because I wanted accountability. I want someone to push me. I want someone to get me out of my comfort zone. And then later on, I needed a funnel builder. Okay. Because I needed to build funnels. And then later on, I needed an email autoresponder, right? Something to send automated emails. Okay. So I'll just put emails for now, and so on and so forth. And there was so many products that I needed in the entire process. I'll do one more for you guys. I needed this program to basically repurpose all my content, all my organic videos. Okay. I'll just put repurpose. Okay. Repurpose. So that's how I was able to quit my job, right? I needed a course, then I needed a coach, then I needed a funnel builder, then I needed email autoresponder, then I needed something to repost all my content, right? And because of this, I needed these things to get from point A to point B. The way you start making money with this as an affiliate marketer is you can start to become an affiliate for these things, right? You can become an affiliate for this and for this and for this and everything in between, right? And that's where the money is made as an affiliate marketer. This is where the game changed for me. So let me give you one more example here of the A to B map, okay? That way it just completely makes sense if you're in a whole different niche. And then again, if you stick to the end of this, I'm gonna show you how you can get access to a custom AI bot that I created that you can completely steal absolutely free, okay? I want you to understand this before you use that because you're gonna understand why it's so powerful, okay? So let's go into a different niche, okay? So let's just say we're creating an A to B map for someone in health and fitness, right? So we'll just put, for this top one is make money online or affiliate marketing, and this is health and fitness, okay? We'll just put health. So let's just say for health, someone is at point A, they hate the way they look, right? And B, they want to be confident, fit in their clothes, and have respect, right? Maybe something like that. Not necessarily like have a six pack, but what are the things that will do, right? If someone's overweight and they were to lose weight, losing the weight's not really the thing that they want. They want the thing that comes because of losing the weight, right? They want the confidence. They want to be able to fit in their clothes. They want to be able to look good in maybe their kid's wedding or whatever it is, or their own wedding, right? That's the thing you need to understand is the dream outcome. Let's just say this is the A to B map for health and fitness. So if I was an affiliate and this was my niche, I would start to create this A to B map. So maybe the first thing I need is a fitness course, right? Maybe something that teaches them, how to properly work out. Okay. So you got a fitness course. Next, you need supplements, right? So, maybe you need certain protein shakes and creatine and all that stuff, right? So I'm just going to put supplements. Okay. Now, of course, you can become an affiliate for multiple supplement companies that sell multiple things, right? So that's where the multiple streams of income start to play. So supplements, maybe they need meal prep, right? Maybe they need to prep their meals and you can become an affiliate for some of these meal prep companies, right? Maybe they need an app that tracks their workouts, right? So an app, right? Maybe even like an Apple Watch. You can become an affiliate for like Best Buy or something like that, right? So you can do like Apple Watch or Samsung Watch or whatever it is, right? These are all the things that they're going to need to get from point A to point B. You see the power of this now, right? Because now I have this fitness course. I can become an affiliate for this and get, whatever, 40% commissions. And then I could become an affiliate for supplements, probably something like 20% commissions, but it's reoccurring, right? So monthly reoccurring commissions. And then something like meal prep, right? Maybe it's 20%. They give you that monthly reoccurring commissions because people are probably going to use it every single month and so on and so forth, right? And of course you can build this out. I have over 40 streams of income, but what I'm saying is this is how you start to build your affiliate marketing business, right? Is that A to B map, okay? And I'm going to give you again my entire ChatGPT bot that you can build this absolutely free, okay? The next part of this I want you to understand is once you build this map, basically all you have to do next is send people to a free thing, something for free. So I call it a lead magnet. When you send people the lead magnet, then you send them to the main product you're promoting. But the whole point of this is you're getting an email, okay? You're getting an email. That way you can start to build your email list, okay? So the whole point of this free thing is to build your email list. And then now we can start to send automated emails to promote all the products that we're selling as an affiliate, okay? And this is where it's gonna all play in, right? All these emails are gonna promote all the things on the A to B map, right? So, maybe the first email promotes that fitness course, right? So you can go over here, maybe this is an email that promotes the course. Maybe you got another email that promotes the supplements, right? So you got supplements. And then you got another email that's the meal prep and so on and so forth. And that's how you build an affiliate business that pays you for the rest of your life. Okay. Now I want to show you how you can get access to my custom ChatGPT that I created. You're going to go to ChatGPT and you're going to click on where it says explore GPTs. Okay. You're going to click on this right here and it kind of looks like a store for ChatGPT. You're going to type in Jonathan Montoya, just like you see it here. And you're going to look for something called the A to B map multiple streams builder. You're going to click on this. And this is literally going to help you build the entire map for you. Right here it says, help me build my map from scratch. So you can click on this and it's literally going to help you build the entire A to B map for you. Okay. It's going to ask you questions on how they can get from point A to point B. And as you can see, everything that I showed you on how to build this A to B map is now going to be inside this custom ChatGPT. That way you can start to build this map for yourself. Okay. So I'll let you get access to that because that's going to help you completely set this up, right? As you can see, it's going to ask you the right questions. It's going to guide you. That way you can build the exact map for your audience. Okay. All right. So I hope you created your entire A to B map for your affiliate marketing business. Now, let me know down below, which products did you choose to promote. Now, if you want to skip all of that and you want to just tap into the 15 plus income streams that I'm going to go ahead and just give you, then I want to invite you to my Leave Your 9-to-5 Freedom Hackers Challenge, where I'm going to show you how you can tap into the exact same products that I'm promoting and the exact same system that I'm going to literally hand to you. That way you can start promoting. I'm going to leave that link down below to the challenge in the description. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.